friends, how are you all? Myself Anisa. I have a question for you all. Have you ever visited to a hospital? What did you guys notice? Is anything interesting? Have you ever seen the doctor write something on the piece of paper? An order for medicine, and which you give to a pharmacist to get the medicine, right? The piece of paper is nothing but the prescription. What do you know about prescription? It plays an integral role. The doctor evaluates and clearly defines the patient's problem. Now we'll discuss more about prescription. Definition: a prescription is a written order from a registered medical practitioner or a physician to a pharmacist to compound and dispense specific medication for the patient. What does this prescription includes? Patient details, direction for the pharmacist to compound and dispense, direction for the pharmacist to compound and dispense the medicaments, direction for the patient regarding the administration of drugs. What are the parts of prescription? Parts of the prescription are: number 1, date; 2, name; 3, age; 4, sex; 5, address of the patient; 6, inscription; 7, subscription; 8, superscription RX; 9, signature; 10, renewal instruction; 11, signature, address and register number of the prescriber. These are the parts of prescription. Now we are going to study about prescription. The first part of the prescription is date. 28/21. Date. Every prescription must bear the date on which the particular medicines are prescribed. This helps the pharmacist to keep day-to-day patient's record in chronological order, which helps the pharmacist or a physician to refer the all cases in future. To avoid misuse of narcotic or other habitat-forming drugs containing prescription by the patient a number of times for dispensing. Name, age, sex and address of the patient is mentioned here. Name, age, sex and address of the patient must be written on the prescription. Name helps the pharmacist to identify the correct patient, avoiding any chance of giving the medicine to a person other than the one it is dispensed for. Note: patient full name must be written instead of nicknames or surname. Age of the patient becomes important in the case of pediatrics and geriatric cases because the dose of drug in such cases varies. Hence, dose of drugs are calculated based on the age factor in such cases. Sex or gender of the patient also plays a major role in prescription because dose of the drug may also vary based on the sex or gender of the patient. Address of the patient is generally recorded to contact the person at the later stage or to deliver the medication personally. Superscription RX. This part of the prescription is represented by the symbol RX. In the ancient time, it is considered a prayer to a Jupiter, the god of healing, for the fast recovery of the patient. Nowadays, it is used as an abbreviation for the Latin term take though, which means you take. Inscription. This part of the prescription contains the names and the quantities of the ingredients. This is considered as the main part of the prescription order. It contains the names and quantities of the prescribed ingredients. The name of each ingredient is written along with its quantity. Subscription. Subscription includes the direction from the prescriber to the pharmacist to compound and dispense the medication. This part of the prescription contains direction of the prescriber to the pharmacist regarding the type and compounding of dosage form along with number of doses to be dispensed. This is important because dose of drug also depends on the type of dosage form. Signatura. This part of the prescription includes the direction from the prescriber to the patient. This part of the prescription contains direction to the patient regarding the administration of the drug. It is generally represented as signed on the prescription. The instructions may include the quantity to be taken, the frequency of administration, the mode of administration, the special instructions such as dilation directions. Renewal instructions. In this part, the prescriber whether the prescription can be renewed or not. It also include the specifications like how many times it can be renewed. It is of utmost importance in case of narcotic or other habitat forming drugs. Signature, address and register number of the prescriber. The signature and register number of the prescriber turn the prescription into legal and authentic order to the pharmacist. This helps in preventing the use of spurious drugs. Register number of the prescriber is of most important in prescription containing narcotic drugs. And we'll show another example of the prescription which contains all the parts: name, age, sex, and address of the patient, superscription, inscription, subscription, signature, and name of the prescriber and register number of the prescriber. Thank you guys.